Welcome to All Access Agile, a series dedicated to helping teams learn and implement Agile principles. In this episode, we get meta with the question, what is Agile? I'm your Agile coach, Jessica Guistolise. I'm an evangelist at Lucid Software. Fun fact about me, I was born in the U.S. state of Nebraska, and now I live in the state of Minnesota.
I can hear that. I'm your Agile coach, Bryan Stallings. I'm Lucid's chief evangelist, and my fun fact is that I was born in the U.S. state of Oregon, and I now live in the state of Utah. If you're new to Agile, or you're not quite sure what it means that Jessica and I are Agile coaches, join us for an Agile primer. We'll define Agile, delve into its origin story, or where it was born, and then we'll explore some key benefits and misconceptions.
No doubt you know the definition of agility in the context of moving fast and nimble. But what does it mean to be agile in the context of business?
That's an excellent question, Jessica. Agile is a way of dealing with and ultimately succeeding in an uncertain and turbulent environment. It's both a movement and a mindset that has revolutionized how people work together. Through collaboration and continuous learning, teams respond to change and make progress step by step.
With Agile, we've discovered better ways of working, moving away from top-down control to teams making informed decisions together. When people are trusted to manage their work and solve problems together, they become empowered to experiment, grow, and deliver better results.
I love that, Jessica. As Agile coaches, Jessica and I help teams and organizations implement an approach to work that's adaptable and flexible. This incremental approach allows teams to better react to changes such as a shift in customer needs or a technological improvement.
Agile also brings more humanity into the workplace by allowing teams to operate at a more sustainable pace to prevent burnout, focus on high-value, equitable collaboration, encourage experimentation and autonomy, and last but not least, be adaptable and open to feedback.